So guys, today I will not talk about any kind of battery, because today is a special day for some guy, which is actually a really important member of the Cayrex team. And this guy is of course my buddy Matjaž. And also today Matjaž have his birthday. For this reason I was thinking to make this short video about him. Because anyway, I don't talk much about the history of the Cayrex team or the work which we do in the backstage. But I think that this will change in the future. And now about the Matjaž. I met Matjaž in year 2005-2006 and almost immediately we become really good friends. Because I and Matjaž note that we have really similar ideas. And because he liked my idea about innovations and making all sorts of interesting stuff, for this reason in year 2008 Matjaž became the first member of the Cayrex team. And he was and is our construction guy for all sorts of things. Because his innovative construction ideas and engineering skills make him really good at making things. So Matjaž is like living 3D printer. But actually what I really like on him is that he will think at least twice about the problem and the possible solution before he will make the next step. And his thinking out of the box makes him really valuable member of the team. And because of this, his contribution of ideas and hard work contribute that we make really good innovations. So in short, I can say that Matjaž is really good at what he makes. So thank you Matjaž to be my best friend and really awesome team member.
Also my buddy work on something. He make a bomb.
You're stupid.